My grandma, bless her heart, always had a knack for introducing me to the most unexpected flavors. So one morning, she presented me with these perfectly mound, impossibly white buns. Try this, she said, with that knowing twinkle in her eye. Now, I'm usually a savory breakfast person, and honestly, the idea of purple filling in a bun, I was intrigued, but also a little hesitant. But then I took a bite. The bun was like a cloud dissolving on my tongue, and inside, this creamy, subtle, sweet, almost nutty taro filling. It was warm, comforting, and utterly delightful. It wasn't just breakfast, it was a revelation. A revelation. The delicate sweetness, that unique earthiness of that taro, it completely changed my mind from that day on. I was hooked on taro. These steamed taro buns aren't just any food, they're just a little piece of unexpected magic. You've got to try them.